If you watched my earlier breakdown on how to get a woman physically aroused through touch and pacing, you already know I gave you specific actions that can trigger a literal waterfall. Today, we're doing something similar, but with one simple twist. I'm going to show you how to make her wet using only your words. Touching and kissing, along with manual and oral stimulation and penetration, all play important roles in the bedroom. But you can drive a woman wild with language alone. Only a small percentage of men truly master this. The ones who do satisfy their partners at a level most others never reach. It's time for you to join that group and add this skill to your toolkit, so you can give your partner the most exciting, emotionally charged, and physically arousing experience she's ever had. Stay with me until the end so you don't miss a single step. Now let's dive in. I'm Dr. Emma Blake, urology and men's health expert. My job is to give you clear, practical guidance about what women actually respond to, not just what they claim they want. We're keeping this grounded in psychology, physiology, and real-world communication. No gimmicks, no complex scripts you'll forget. Just simple sentences delivered with presence and confidence. Before we begin, a quick reality check. Your words only land when they're honest, specific, and timed to the moment. This isn't about acting. It's about paying attention to what's happening in her body and speaking it aloud in a way that makes her feel desired and safe. There are countless ways to talk in bed, from romantic to filthy. Today, we're focusing on the simplest and most reliable lane, showing desire and appreciation. Feeling desired is the #1 female turn on across decades of research and clinical experience. It's the switch that activates everything else. The problem is most men never vocalize desire. They stay quiet, maybe grunt, and hope touch alone will carry them. I understand why sexual talk can feel embarrassing. Maybe you were raised to be polite, maybe sexuality was shamed, or maybe a partner mocked you once. But if you want sex that feels electric and keeps her coming back for more, you must learn to use your voice. Not necessarily dirty talk at first, just talk. I'm going to give you 8 phrases you can use right away. They're simple, direct, and rooted in the principle that women get aroused when they feel seen and wanted. Then I'll teach you how to deliver them, how to time them, and how to practice until the awkwardness fades. Let's start. 1, I love your, then fill in the blank with something real. I love your body. I love the way you smell. I love your soft skin. I love your hips. The specifics matter. Many women carry body insecurities. Specific appreciation boosts confidence and invites her to open up. Don't repeat the same line over and over. Sprinkle 1 or 2, then move on. Anchoring your words to what you're seeing and touching makes them believable and incredibly hot. 2, you're so wet. Men have obvious signs of arousal, but women often don't realize how drenched they are in the moment. Telling her she's wet does 2 things. It gives her permission to feel her own pleasure, and it intensifies her arousal loop. Say it slowly in her ear when you feel it. You're so wet right now. Simple and devastatingly effective. 3, you turn me on so much. These 6 words combine appreciation with personal impact. It communicates that she's not just attractive in general. She's actively doing something to you. That feeling of power is intoxicating. Say it when you feel your own desire spike and let your breath carry the tone. 4, yes. 1 word spoken at the right moment can amplify everything. Women want feedback too. If her rhythm, touch, or movement feels incredible, let her know. Yes, like that. Yes, stay there. Clear feedback turns guesswork into confidence and confidence into heat. If something changes and you miss a sensation, gently guide her back. That right there. 5, you look so sexy when, and finish the sentence. You look so sexy when you bend like that. You look so sexy in that lingerie. The word sexy has power because it validates the exact state you want to amplify. You can shift to sound. You sound so sexy when you moan. It gives her a map of what to repeat. Number 6, I want to see you come. The explicit desire to witness her pleasure is gasoline on the fire. Say it when you've found a rhythm that works for her. I want to watch you let go. Pair those words with unwavering attention. Intention plus action is what helps her climax. Number 7, I want you right now. Use this before sex or at the first touch of the night. It's bold and direct. It shows zero hesitation. Delivered softly, it anchors the evening in desire, not obligation. In public, whispered with eye contact, it can set the entire night in motion. Number 8, take it off. Directing her to undress with warmth and confidence can be intensely arousing. There's a primal thrill in revealing yourself to someone who's hungry for you. You can also guide with your hands. I want to see you without this. Those are the 8 phrases. They're simple on purpose. The principle beneath them is what matters. Women get turned on by feeling desired. Your voice is the fastest way to communicate desire because it carries tone, breath, pace, and certainty, signals the nervous system takes seriously. Now, let's talk about delivery. Delivery is the difference between hot and awkward. First, match your words to your breath. Speak on the exhale. It naturally deepens your tone and slows your cadence. Second, anchor to sensation. Say what you can see, feel, smell, or hear. It keeps you grounded and present. Third, slow down. Rushed speech sounds anxious, and anxiety doesn't read as confidence. Speak as if you're pouring something thick and warm. Fourth, speak less than you think you should. A dozen well-placed words land more powerfully than 100 scattered ones. Let silence carry weight. Fifth, don't seek reassurance. Instead of asking, does that feel good? Say, right there, just like that. Timing matters. Use appreciation early, feedback during, and explicit desire as momentum builds. Don't flood her with lines all at once. Think of your voice as part of the rhythm. If you feel shy, here's a simple exercise. Take 5 minutes alone. Turn off distractions. Close your eyes. Imagine a real encounter or create one in your mind. Slow your breath. Say a phrase at half volume, then slower. Then try stretching one word across each exhale. Practice 3 phrases a day for a week. If you can't say them alone, you won't say them with her. Repetition removes awkwardness. A few more guidelines. Don't imitate someone else's voice. Use your natural tone, just slightly lower and slower. Don't say things you don't mean. Don't comment on anything she can't change right now. Avoid comparisons to anyone else. Keep your attention fully on her. If she's shy, start with gentle appreciation. Scent, warmth, softness, breathing movement. These are personal without being graphic. Here's a simple arc you can follow tonight. During kissing and touching, offer one appreciation line. I love your body in this light. As arousal rises, give short feedback. Yes, right there. When her confidence builds, add desire. I want to see you come. As you undress her, take it off, or let me. During the peak, keep it simple. Don't stop. Afterward, seal it with gratitude. I loved watching you let go. If you want to build your own lines, use this template. Appreciation plus detail. Desire plus immediacy. Feedback plus direction. You can't go wrong. A few cautions. Don't weaponize your voice. If she doesn't respond how you hoped, don't withdraw. Words are invitations, not contracts. If you both laugh, embrace it. If it's a new relationship, start PG and build with trust. Only use names or labels you've agreed to. Consent applies to language. Here's your challenge. Tonight, use 6 words once. You turn me on so much. Say it slowly on an exhale when you truly feel it. Next time, add appreciation. I love your soft skin. Over the next week, practice 3 phrases a day alone and use 2 lines in each encounter. You'll feel the difference. She'll feel the difference. And you'll both want more. And here's something important most men never realize. Verbal arousal creates anticipation that lasts beyond the moment. Long after the physical encounter ends, she may replay your words in her mind, while she's falling asleep, in the shower, or even during her day. That lingering spark strengthens intimacy, increases attraction, and builds a deeper connection the next time you touch. The more confident you become with your voice, the more emotionally safe and sexually free she feels with you. That's how great lovers create chemistry that doesn't fade. It evolves, grows stronger, and becomes unforgettable. For men who want an extra boost, I recommend 4 game-changing supplements for better erections, healthy testosterone support, and prostate comfort. Products I personally trust for my patients. Check the comments below for the exact products and links. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.